English slang words are a fascinating and ever-evolving part of the language. While sometimes viewed as informal or even bad English, they hold significant importance for several reasons. Firstly, slang provides a window into culture and society. Think about it. Slang often emerges from specific subcultures, communities, or even major events. Terms like groovy from the 60s, or more recent ones like riz or simp, tell us something about the values, trends, and even the anxieties of a particular time and group. By understanding slang, we gain a deeper appreciation for the social fabric and cultural shifts of English-speaking communities. It's like a linguistic time capsule. Secondly, slang fosters a sense of belonging and identity. When people use shared slang, it creates an in-group, a feeling of camaraderie and understanding. It's a way for people to signal that they're in the know and part of a particular group, whether that's teenagers, gamers, or people from a specific region. Thirdly, slang keeps the language vibrant and dynamic. Languages aren't static. They're constantly changing and adapting. Slang is a major driver of this evolution. New words and phrases are constantly being coined, reflecting new ideas, technologies, and ways of life. Finally, and perhaps most practically, understanding slang is crucial for effective communication. In informal settings, particularly among younger generations, relying solely on formal English can make you sound out of touch or even unintelligible. In conclusion, while we might not use slang in academic papers or formal presentations, its importance in everyday communication, cultural understanding, and the ongoing evolution of the English language is undeniable. So, next time you hear a new slang term, don't dismiss it. Explore it. You might just learn something fascinating about the world and the power of words.